Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my Yume Twins box, but I ended up getting last month's really late, so I'm going to do both of them in one video. I honestly don't remember which box is which. I don't think it tells me like a date either. No. I don't know. I'm just going to have to go for it and hope for the best in both of these. So we will open this one first. Yeah, I accidentally mixed them up the other day when I was like putting them down. We'll open you. Open you. That way it's already done. Alright, so in my first box, it's Weekend Getaway. Okay, I don't know. Nothing crazy. I see something cute. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's so cute. It's a little bag. So you can like put like barely anything in it, but it's so cute. It's like a little baby. He's got a little back. He's so cute. I would put him in my bed, but he can't live in my bed anymore. Cause I have to share it with somebody else. Oh, that's so cute. The next thing in here are these cute little Hello Kitty containers. I could put like toner in this or like makeup remover. That's really cute. Both of them. There's two of them. And then in this little cute box, I got, it's like a cute little cell phone charm. He's so cute. I like it a lot. He's so tiny. He's got a little paintbrush. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see him. He's so small. Next, I have a little travel bag, little dog thing. I literally have so many of these now. I got one when I was doing a registry at Bed Bath & Beyond. I got one from my new mother-in-law. And now I have this one. So now I have 3 bag tags. So if I ever need a bunch of luggage, I'm ready. And then this is a super cute bag that has 2 sides that closes, and you can close it. Okay, so you can have it with these on the backs or these, so you can like flip it this way and be like all crazy if you want. So you can have like the crazier side or the more chill side. For now we'll go with the more chill side. And then it like, this would be good for traveling like with makeup and stuff, like your makeup brushes and whatnot. You could just pop them in, have them all ready to go. So that's super cute. So that is everything from the first box. The second box we got. Hey, open these in the right order. That was last month. This is obviously Halloween. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, this is not supposed to be here, I don't think. Okay. How cute. Oh, look at this stuff. I love her. That is so adorable. Okay, anyways. Yay, I did it the right order. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at this bag. This is adorable. And that's the back, but I'm super obsessed. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, and that's cool. It has like a piece of styrofoamy stuff holding it together with like a bunch of those little things. Oh my goodness, look how cute that is. I love this bag. This is adorable. I will definitely be using this. It is just too cute not to. The next thing in here, oh, it's like a little stress thing. It's like a little stress puff. You like squeeze them? And it's super squishy. Oh, that is so cute. I love it. And you can have it like on a keychain so you can like take it with you places. That is cool. Next, this is like a Halloween comb. A little fold out comb with like the cute little same characters on it. This is adorable. And you can see like the comb is right here. That is adorable. I love it. I like this little Halloween design. Oh, And then this might be a mirror. Oh, it is a mirror. And it's got this cute little design on the front too. I like how this is like a whole little like themed bag or box. And then this is, I think this is a nightlight. I need to get 3 AA batteries, but I think this is a light. This is so fun. That's what it looks like. And this might like show on my ceiling or something. And he's like a little witch egg. Are you an egg? What are you? This is so cute. I love it. Oh my gosh, look at this little bat. That is so cute. Oh, I love this. This is adorable. I'm pretty sure this is a light. I don't know. I don't speak Japanese, so I don't know what half of these things say. But that is everything I got in both of my Yume Twins boxes. I really like all the stuff I got. It's so cute. And I can use a bunch of it, which is cool. Like, we can use this bag and this bag. We can travel. We can travel with makeup toner, or toner and makeup remover. We can have this little dude if I ever get stressed, which is like all the time. I can decorate something with this little cutie. This cute little bag that is not very big. This little nightlight thing. And then this comb and mirror that you can travel with. And I think that is all of it. So that was a pretty cool amount of stuff. I like everything I got. I honestly like the Yume Twins boxes because I use quite a bit of the stuff I get from it, which is cool. It's like all like usable things like that aren't just gonna sit around. Like some of, I mean, the stuffed animals, yeah, they're really cute. They're just more like for collecting, but everything else is pretty much usable, which is really cool, and I like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!